guys. Got her in. Every time on these trucks, the strut spacer is always kind of a pain to line up. So what worked best for me was actually prying this kind of forward to keep it kind of lined up with these bolts. If you can do that, and then you can kind of move the strut kind of this way, that way you can line up those bolts. So I've got one bolt one way and then one another. So left and right are different. See the nuts on that, and then the bolt head is upward on this side. So you gotta kind of only give it a couple threads, just because of, as you can see, CV axle, when you're up in the air you have no room. But that's kind of what worked best for me, taking the whole strut out. That way you can take the axle out, no problem. Don't have to take off the caliper, the rotor, or anything like that. You don't have to hit any ball joints loose or anything. So just kind of gotta wedge a pry bar in right here, and then hit this area, pry down. That helps you get that space underneath. So the longer the pry bar, the better. I've got a 3-foot pry bar, so that helped tremendously. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope to catch you on the next video.